Hey, and welcome to Bali. This video is about how to afford to travel full-time. So I wanted to make this video at this beautiful beach club. I am absolutely in love with this place. It is in Canggu, Bali, and for me this is like a dream coming true to be able to be by kind of a very greenish pool, awesome music, awesome staff, and having the sea just on the other side. Like it's absolutely amazing, and I really want to share like how to be able to do this, because no more than 2 years ago I felt so stuck in my life, and I was really inspired by other people on YouTube doing their videos. Like it could be like yoga video or anything like that, but they were doing their videos by the beach in bikini and I was just so inspired by that, and I am forever grateful that I did feel that inspiration, and to these people that were doing their YouTube videos by the pool, by the ocean, because that really helped me take the steps to create the lifestyle that I live today. So to answer that question, how to afford to travel full-time or to live abroad, there are several ways you can do that. And obviously one thing is, like, if you want to take off for 1 year, you can save a lot of money before, and then you can just live on a budget. That is one way of doing it, and that is a way that I don't know so much about. I've only done that when I've been on vacations before. But what I really promote is to create an ongoing income, or either a passive income, which is quite hard, but it is possible. The other option is to do a job where you can actually work, where you can do your work from your laptop, so it doesn't matter where you are. You're just raising the music, so you can really, like, when you have a job where you can work from anywhere, I mean, you can just choose a location where you want to be. And in my case, having this life on Bali together with my soulmate, my partner, spiritual partner, it's absolutely fantastic. So he is working on his online projects as I do. I work with hypnosis, I work with rapid transformational therapy, and I coach people, I train people, I train their subconscious mind over internet. So my clients, the people I work with, they are in the comfort of their own home, and I can be wherever I want to be. That makes me a happier person, and also a bigger inspiration for the people that I work together with. So it's absolutely amazing, and you are able to do this too. Also diving into the pool. You're able to do this too. Your job is to figure out, like, what is your passion? What is it that really feels good to you? What is it that you truly want to do with your life? If you have no idea, I was there as well. Like, I would say 3 years, or maybe 3 or 4 years ago, I was just stuck in this feeling that I wanted to have children, and it wasn't working, and I just felt stuck in feeling so miserable. So I was definitely not living my passion, and I was so not connected with my passion at all. So I know that you can go from that state to the state where you feel that you have truly connected to your heart, where you have connected to your truth, where you just wake up in the morning feeling so much passion about what you do. And that shows off. Like, people feel that, people sense that when you are true to yourself and when you are truly living your purpose, your passion. So your job, if you don't already know, like, what is your passion, what could you possibly do to make an income online, I would say start by finding out what your passion is, what feels good to you. The best way I have discovered to do it is to do it through hypnosis, because the subconscious mind is always trying to protect you from actually finding your truth. If your subconscious mind believes that your truth is not good enough, or your truth will kind of disconnect you from the tribe, then your subconscious mind will do everything it can to block your calling in life. So by using hypnosis, you can make your mind understand that you are more safe when you're living your passion, because when you live your passion, you will be connected to the right kind of people that resonates with your truth. But that is something that you have to do on the subconscious level, because the subconscious mind is what drives you. It is 95% of your mind. So the conscious mind, which you are kind of the willpower, it's only 5%. So if you're gonna do some work, do it with your subconscious mind, going back to the root cause of the issue. What is actually holding you back from living your purpose, connecting with your truth? So the other thing is, like, when you have found that, to start to build a brand around it. Start to connect with yourself and understand what kind of brand do you want to have, what is aligned with your purpose. Know your core values. For the first time when I heard about core values, I had absolutely no idea. I was like, what is that even? I had heard that companies, they have core values, but I had no idea that people were supposed to have personal core values. But we do already have them. The problem is that this is nothing that it's not things we talk about. But I want to change that. I want us all to talk about and really connect with that. What are your core values? What are my core values? Because I believe the reason why we have so much anxiety is because we have some kind of lived outside the core values. So the more you know your own core values, the more you can get to know yourself, get to know what is inside of you, what is your integrity. When you live within your core values and according to them, it might be honesty, it might be openness, it might be integrity, whatever it is that it's important for you. When you know that, you will be so much more stable in where you are, in who you are. And the more you are that, the more you can kind of build your brand, because people will understand who you are when you understand who you are. Makes sense, right? So when you have found your calling, start to build a brand around it. Start to brand yourself and get to know okay, who are the people I want to work together with, and see what you can actually move. I mean, from the physical world into having video meetings. I truly believe in working from your heart, working with your passion, rather than going after I'm gonna try to move so I don't have so many people in the background. But rather than what can you do that will actually connect with your heart, rather than just doing a business for the sake of the money. I mean, the money will definitely come once you're working your passion and you can spread inspiration to the world. You will attract a lot of money because you are helping a lot of people, and also that is a subconscious programming that you can do to understand your worthiness, to understand how much you actually have to offer to this world, and then you can start to charge for your service. That is another thing that I believe is super, super key when you do work, whatever you do. You better be good at charging for your service. And you can fix that just like that by reprogramming your subconscious belief system through hypnosis, which is super easy. So that is another thing I definitely recommend you to do. So you charge for your services and making sure that you do a damn good job. You will be doing a damn good job when you know that you are aligned with your core values, when you're aligned with your purpose. So that is really the answer of how to travel full-time or live abroad, having a lifestyle that you truly, truly, truly love. It is make an income online, and it starts by you figuring out your purpose. You can do so by hypnosis. That is one way of doing it, a very, very quick way of doing it. I told you in the beginning, it was no more than 2 years ago, when I was 2 or 3 years ago, I had no idea what my purpose is. Now I feel every single day that I live my purpose, which is so beautiful. So I really want you to have that too, because it's absolutely amazing. So if you have questions like how to find your purpose, how to actually start your online business, how to grow your audience, how to grow your influence, type those questions below, because I will be super, super happy to help you out as much as I possibly can. I've done this transformation myself. I've done so much reprogramming of my subconscious belief system, really going from a victim mentality into knowing that I am 100% in charge of my own life and of my own reality, and how I respond to it, to everything that is going on around me. So I wish that for you too. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to the channel, press the little bell, because that means that you will get all the updates that I do. And with that said, I wish you a beautiful, amazing day, and remember that you are the one creating your amazing, beautiful day. Lots of love. Bye.